everyone, welcome to Deep Sea Baking. We are so excited about this month's baking kit and bake along classes. It's all ocean inspired. We have Shark Week going on in August and lots of fun things. So we wanted to inspire you to feel like you're out on the ocean, on a boat, fishing, having fun with your family and friends. So let me show you some of the recipes. So the first one is an amazing dinner recipe. It's called Tuna and Seashells Casserole. It's quite easy. You'll love it. You'll make it over and over again. Super fun. The next one is this beautiful cake that the kids are going to make. It's called Whale of a Tail Swirl Cake. Now the fun thing about this is in your kit, you're getting a whale cookie cutter. You can use it for so many things, cookies, but we're using it as a template with fruit roll-ups to make these beautiful designs on top of your cake. And inside your baking kit, you're getting this cake comb, which makes a nice swirl for the cake when you decorate it. And we have, there's some Kool-Aid packets that are going to be in your kit that's going to make your cake look like a blue ocean. We'll show you all about that. Make sure you look at the bake along classes to give you all that information. And this is so fun. The kids are going to make a sea turtle bread bowl. That's right, a sea turtle bread bowl. And it might look difficult, but it actually is pretty simple. And the kids are gonna learn how to knead the dough. That's our baking lesson this month. And it's a lot of fun, super fun. You can actually make all kinds of animals, but because we're doing the deep sea bacon, we're doing a sea turtle. You can add soup to your bread bowl. You can add dip to your bread bowl. It's so much fun. You can just tear off the pieces of bread and use some butter or peanut butter or jelly or something like that. Super fun. Okay, and the next recipe, these are so cute. It's called Shark Fin Mini Scones. You're gonna take a scone recipe and turn the dough in a way that it looks like shark fins. How fun is that? So the kids are gonna love that. And of course you have your info card that gives all of the information. And just to remind you that we support Voices for Children, where we send extra baking kits and some funds to support foster kids in the system. So make sure you look at your info card. Remember, on the back, you have your QR code, and your QR code takes you right to all the bake along classes, because we want the kids to learn by reading, right, and following the recipe, but we also want them to visually learn, because that is how kids really learn visually. It's called project-based learning. We love that. Okay. And we always have a little inspirational card in there for you. And this one says, make a splash of kindness, have a whale of a day. And in your kits, we always have a baking lesson. And this one is the knead to knead dough, showing you the reasons why it's so important to knead yeast dough so that you have the perfect loaf of bread. We always include our stickers in there. You have your whale cookie cutter. You have your dough cutters. This is a scraper, so you can scrape things off the table, make it easier for cleanup. You have your cake comb, and our surprise collector's pin this month is the most adorable dolphin. It is so cute. So you'll add that to your pin collection and put that on your apron and have fun with that. So we're excited. Thank you so much for being part of Kids Baking Club. If you know anyone that wants to be part of Kids Baking Club, let us know, because we would love to share this fun, exciting way for kids to learn with other kids. All right, we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.